I'm going to teach you one of the most requested steps for wedding dance. And Yara here is going to help me. It is a roll-in dip. We're going to show it how it's done first. Here you go. And 1, 2, and 3, 4. Okay. And now I'm going to teach it to you. So the gentleman first starts with this leg part, which gives a very solid foundation to his frame. It's very stable. The girl also goes onto the right foot. He gives her a slight pull, yeah, like this. And when she feels the pull, ladies, you have to follow. You spin inside his arm. He grabs her back. She keeps spinning. And right over here, once ladies become that are very secure on his back. If you have a taller gentleman, then on his shoulder, on his neck, and then we both going to bend our knees slightly. Ta-da! And there you go. You have it.
Hi everyone, I'm Anna Trebunskaya and I'm excited to be here with LunaSol. As an 11-time professional dancer from Dancing with the Stars, I know how important it is to not only look stunning, but to feel good too. That's why I absolutely love LunaSol shoes. They're designed with a dancer's mind and the aesthetics of a bridal shoe. They're very comfortable, they're cushiony, they have a very practical heel, and when you dance in them, you don't feel them at all.